Hey everyone, today we are going to talk about comparing sets. So when we compare two different sets of things, we're going to use these vocabulary words, the words more and less, greater than, less than, and the same and equal. And I'm going to walk you through a few examples to show you what each of those mean. So in this picture, we have a set of strawberries and then a set of watermelon slices. So if we count, we see that we have 6 watermelons, six strawberries, and 4 watermelons. And we talked about this in class that when we compare two things, it's easier to see which one we have more of or less of when we line them up with a buddy. So look how in this group, we have lined up these strawberries with these watermelon slices, and we can see that the strawberries there are more of because these two do not have buddies. So therefore, there are more strawberries than watermelons. And we could also say that 6 is greater than 4. Here's another example. We have some pineapples and some bananas. So just lining them up with buddies, we can tell visually just by looking that there are fewer pineapples than bananas, and that there are 5 pineapples and 6 bananas. So 5 is less than 6. So here's another example where this time these are not lined up side by side with a buddy. So we would have to count individually to see which has more. This side has 12 buttons. This side has 6 buttons. So we know that 12 is greater than or more than 6. We could use either of those terms. And 6 is also less than or fewer than 12. So there are a few different ways you could do it. Again, in class, we talked about one of the easiest ways, especially as the numbers get bigger, is sometimes just to line them up side by side with a buddy. Can visually be a great way to tell quickly which one has more and which one has less. And lastly, in this picture, we have 3 crabs and 3 bats. So these sets are the same or equal. All right, now it's your turn. I'd love for you to go in your house and see if you can find 2 different sets of objects and compare them. Which one do you have more of, or which one is greater? Which one do you have fewer or less than, or are they equal sets? So good luck and do your best.